Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your Windows computer. So let's get started. So I've got Google Chrome open, so I'm going to search Microsoft Teams download for Windows. Press enter. And then you'll see the first search result will be the one from Microsoft for Microsoft Teams. So just make sure you click on the correct hyperlink. I've also included the download link in the description below, so you'll find the link there. So let's open this up. Okay, so we're on the Microsoft Teams download page, so let's click on download for desktop. And then on here you click on download Teams. And the file will start downloading here on the bottom left. Okay, just finished downloading, so we'll run the exe. As you can see on the bottom here on the taskbar, you see that Teams is installing. So when Teams finishes installing, it will ask you to sign in. As I've already signed into Teams on this computer, it displays the accounts that I've used. So I'm gonna pick one of my accounts and sign in. And there you go, guys. This is Teams home interface. So that's how you download and install Teams on your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.